So I already applied my primer and now I'm going to start off with foundation, and I am taking my Infallible Pro Look foundation in 210 Classic Tan. Now I'm taking my concealer, my Fenty Beauty Concealer in 360. And I'm mixing that with my Superstay Concealer by Maybelline in medium. Now I'm going to set my under eyes with my Makeup Revolution setting powder in Banana. Instead of like baking, I'm just going to lightly dust it because I want this look to be like a glowy, light, minimal, like summertime look. Now I'm bronzing with my Fit Me powder foundation in Mocha. Now I'm taking my blush by Tarte. It's the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour brush in Party. And some on my nose. Now I'm going to put a tiny bit of eyeshadow, and I have like this really random little eyeshadow palette, NYX, and I'm going to apply some of this shade in the middle. No, I'm going to apply some of this shade. I just dusted that all over my lid. It's very shimmery and light. That's all I'm doing for the eyes. What I'm gonna do now is add a full mole right here. But first I'm gonna darken the one I have. I'm gonna add one right here. And I'm going to set my face with Fix Plus, and then I'm gonna highlight my face. My makeup is literally flawless. I'm going to be highlighting with my Laura Geller highlighter in Gilded Honey. What I forgot was to contour my nose, so I'm gonna do that really quick. So I'm gonna line my lips with my NYX lip liner in brown. And I'm gonna fill in with my NYX lip liner in Nude Beige. Now I'm gonna put gloss over, and I'm using the NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. This is a 10-minute summer glow makeup look. Super easy, only not that many products. And I will be doing an eyebrow tutorial real soon, so you guys can see how I do my eyebrows. And yeah, I am going to be posting every week, at least twice a week. So please like and subscribe for more videos. I did start a vlog channel with my family, so I will link that down below. Please subscribe because our videos will be out very soon. One will be up this week. And yes, so I will be back with another video.